I'm going to show you how to underline text in Microsoft Word. So first, the basic underlining, you just simply highlight the words that you want to underline by left clicking your mouse and dragging it over the wording. And then you go to where it says U there. Just click the U. And as you can see, underline has been added. If you want to remove the underline effect, all you have to do is to highlight that and then click the U again. And as you can see, it's gone. What if you want to use a different style of underlining? So let's highlight again on that heading. The next thing that you need to do then to choose the type of underline that you need, the style, you just go to the next part where there's an arrow there on you click it, and then you choose the type of underline that you need. Say we want a thick underline, so we do that. Now we have a thick underline. What if you want a different type of underline in your paragraph to highlight something? For example, here, we want to highlight this small part. So we just click next to underline on fonts, and then we choose the type that we want. So in that case, we do that. And as you can see, we've added a different style of underlining. What if you want to underline with a different color? So all you have to do is to highlight where you have underlined, go back to underline under fonts, and then click next to underline, go to underline color, choose the color that you want. So I like green, so I just click the green there. As you can see, the underline color is green. It also works for the style that you've chosen. So you can just go to any style and then you go next to underline. You just say underline color. Let's choose red. And as you can see, we can see that the underline is now in red. So that's how you then put the styles. You can also choose many other styles because these are not the only ones that you have. So for example, you want to choose a different type that does not appear here. All you do is highlight and then click there, go to more underlines. You're taken to this dialog box, underline style there. All you have to do is to click and scroll down on all underlines that you want. In this case, let's say we choose that one and we choose also the underline color to be blue. And once we do that, as you can see, we now have an underlined paragraph in a dashed format in a blue color. So that's how you use the underline function.